Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the Secustone Smart Lock fingerprint door handle. These ones are super handy, especially with like Airbnbs or things like that. You can change the password. This one take fingerprints, keys, passcode, volume adjustment, apps, all this different things. So you can open these up. I have a couple of these smart locks and they're just really handy. Smart deadbolts and things like that. They have keys also, so they're just like, can be like a traditional lock, but also super easy to access with just your fingerprint. It's a lot easier than digging through your pocket and getting keys out or whatever, especially if you got groceries or something in your hand. Just a really handy option here. Let's check it out. This one features fingerprint, password, and keys, anti-peeping password, unlocking free passage mode, smart app, temporary password, real-time unlock record, mobile remote control, and warning message push. So this will like probably sync with the Wi-Fi or whatever in your house. On top we have our instruction manual. We're going to be doing an install here as well, setting up the app, all that stuff, guys. So let's check out what's in the box here. So first off, there's the indoor handle there. It's like solid metal there. We're going to have this is going to contain our batteries on this side. We have a couple of keys right there. The other handle, the other side of the handle right here, just like that. That looks pretty nice, nice and solid. This one's going to have obviously the biometric reader here for the fingerprint and then a code on that side. Okay, and least but not last, we have our items we need to install. So screws and a little like a bolt cover there for the area. We have our strike plate. The bolt goes in. It's a little screwdriver and some extensions for the screws there. Here is our bolt mechanism, and then this item here. That's all there is to it. Yeah, like I said before, I got right currently, you can see here in the background, I have a deadbolt right now that's battery. It's the biometric, all that stuff. And super handy, way easier getting in and out of the house. Just a lot more convenient. So we're going to be installing the door handle right there. Let's do it. Well, the first thing we want to do is remove this old doorknob, which you're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Super easy to do. This one might need to bend the handle down just a little bit. Up underneath there. That's why it had a little curve in the handle. And just simply unscrew it. Very simple to do. Oops. Before you do that, though, also we can want to make sure your door is able to be opened here. Take our handle off all the way. We're not going to be able to open our door. So usually just 4 simple screws to change this out. And then obviously this is just unscrewed here. There we go. Take that out. Turn that a little bit. Remove that. And we're free and clear to do our install. So let's get started with the installation here. All right, so we have these little screws here. A couple different lengths there. So first off, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this screw at the end so I can put in my batteries here. Just take that off real quick. Okay. We have a place for our batteries. We got 4 AAA batteries we're going to put in there. All right. Okay. These go right there like that, flat side towards the spring. And I like these Amazon Basic batteries, so that's it right there. Now we can get our bolt in here. I'm gonna peel off that plastic there. Make sure that the this rounded portion is towards your striker plate there. So I'm gonna put it through here just like that. And screw that in with these screws it gave us. So we have these screws right here, and those are just going to go in right here. Screw that in. All right. Super easy to install these guys. This is not, anybody can do it, and all you need really is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so just kind of tighten that in there. Right. That's going to go in there nicely. That's all you got to do so far for that. Next, if you don't already have a striker plate, you can install this here. Just pull that one off of the screws. Mine is rounded and this one's square, so I'd actually have to modify my frame a little bit. I'm just going to leave the old one in there, so I don't really need to use this. So if you need to, you can get some kind of tool and you can cut out your wood here on that, usually like a wood chisel or something. You can make it fit, but since I already have a striker plate there, I'm just going to go with what I have. Okay, next I'm just going to pass this wire right through this metal part here. That's going to go there. And we have these stems that they gave us too. There's 2 different lengths, so you want them the width of your door. So this is standard size. I'm using the longer ones, and these are just going to screw right onto there, just like that. And that just hand tightens. And when you tighten it up on the other side with the screwdriver, then these are going to get tighter. So I'm just hand tightening these on right now. Right, so that's that. This is going to be our outside, obviously. So here we go. We're just going to pass this all right through the middle here of the device, right through the middle of the bolt there. Just like that. That's all you got to do. Okay, I'll just kind of hold that on there with my other hand. Doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere though. Okay, so I don't even need to hold it on there. And next we have this side. So this is going to pass through there and come out this side, just like that. And we have our screws now. Those are going to go in here. Okay, so probably the most difficult part right here is going to just be attaching these screws here. And that's not going to be difficult at all. should be lined up nicely, and we're just going to screw them in right like this. No problem. Before I tighten this one down all the way, I'm going to get my other screw going right there, so make sure it's all lined up. Don't want to tighten one screw down and not have the other one be able to fit in there. It could cause issues. I'll make sure I get this lined up nicely on my door. We're looking good already, and I'm just going to make sure that where that previous markings were, pretty much just going to cover that up. Okay, and then I'll just go back and forth as I tighten these up. It's a little tighter there. Go back to the other side, tighten that one up. And go back over here, tighten this up. Ah, look at that. We're almost done, my friends. Okay, so now all we need to do, come back over to here. We're just going to plug this in right. There's this little tiny thing right there. That's what we're going to plug it into. All right. There'd be only one way this can go on there. And that's just going to slide. It's pretty small. I get my fingernails on there and kind of push it in there if I can. Might be the most difficult part of the whole install right here. Is just getting this little guy in there. It's so tiny. Okay. So it has red on the top of the one that, and the red right there, that just lines up. That's pretty much looking like that's about it. Okay, so that just snaps in there like that. I get my little tiny screw here. Where did my screwdriver go? I'm gonna put this right in the end here. Get my screwdriver. That just screws in right here. All right, and that, my friends, is all there is to it. We are installed. Now we just got to set up the app and the fingerprints, and we're good to go. Okay, guys, so what you want to do is scan the QR code in the manual. This brings up a AREA Smart Home, create a account and all that if you haven't done it. Add a device, go to lock BLE, click that. Okay, and it says, please complete this step according to power on device, turn on Bluetooth on mobile, set the door lock to network distribution following the manual. So click next, and then next. Okay, allow nearby devices, permissions, Bluetooth turned on. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so I allowed nearby devices and just tapped the well, and tapped the fingerprint thing. It recognized it almost instantaneously here. Okay, so successfully added. We're gonna get done. Devices security, device alarm notifications. Okay, test. Auto start. New firmware found. We're gonna update. Okay, so just keeping that next to my lock here. updating it real quick. We're just gonna pick that up when it's done. Okay, and we are up to date now. And tap and hold to unlock. Unlocks. Allows me to open the door. And then it just locks automatically. Now we can set up passwords, member management. Set up a fingerprint, go to settings, fingerprint management. We're going to click add fingerprint, select user, that's me, and then start capturing, and then just put your thing on it several different ways there. There we go, and it's captured, and we're good to go. Fingerprint name, me, all done. So that's that. Now I can just unlock it with my fingerprint, and the app will notify me when that's done. So pretty easy setup there on this. And then let's just check out the doorknob here. Now, if I want to add a password, just simply go to settings, password management, add a password. There's me. You can generate it randomly, or you can put in what you want, something else. And then okay, save. Oh, it's not long enough, has to be 6 to 10. Let's see, let's make it tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay. Save, and then the field must be specified. Okay, name is door. Sure, okay, save that. And now it's ready to open. Now I can just, if I want to unlock it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, and it unlocks it. All right, my friends, let's check it out here. Well, friends, here we are, and now it's locked. I won't be able to open it. Put in my fingerprint, and now I can open the door. So it's that simple. Also, if I need to put in my passcode, and there we go, unlocked. Obviously, I'm going to change that. You can put the key in the end right here if we need to unlock it. It's not unlocking. Put the key in the end right here and turn that, and then we can unlock it. All right. Nice, super handy. You can do a bunch of stuff in the app. Like I said, if you're doing like Airbnb or something like that, you can change the lock. You can change the password on there whenever you want to. Fingerprint access. You can open it with the app, unlock it with the app. It even has like, I think, a voice open thing if you want to put in the password that way. Really cool features on there. Oops. And there we go. So thanks for watching this unboxing and installation video with my friends. It's a Secustone biometric smart lock. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.